Hey friends, how to fix this app can't open? Follow these simple steps carefully. First of all, drag your mouse to window icon and just click on the settings option. Now click on apps option. From here, find your apps which is showing this error. Simple scroll down little bit and select your apps. Here you can see the Xbox game bar. Simple click on your apps and click on advanced option. Now scroll down little bit and here you can see the repair option. First of all, click on repair and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, then back again and click on reset option. This method is definitely work for you. Simple click on reset and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, simple close this window. Now simple drag your mouse to search box and type here apps. Simple click on open and now scroll down little bit and find your apps. So here you can see the Xbox game bar. Simple click on this option and click on uninstall option and reinstall these apps. So this method is definitely work for you, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.